You're listening to News Ramp Business and Corporate. Today is Wednesday evening, February 18th, 2026. Real stories, AI voice. Details at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Let's dive in. SAF-HOLLAND SE preliminary results for fiscal year 2025 show solid profitability in a challenging market environment. SAF-HOLLAND SE's preliminary results for fiscal year 2025 reveal solid profitability despite a challenging market environment. Group sales totaled around 1,734 million, down 8% from the previous year, mainly due to weak original equipment markets in the Americas and APAC regions. Adjusted EBIT margin stood at 9.5%, reflecting a decline from 10.1% in the previous year. Intershop publishes preliminary figures for the financial year 2025. Intershop Communications AG has published its preliminary financial figures for the year 2025, reporting revenues of euro 33.3 million, down from euro 38.8 million in the previous year. The company's cloud revenues remain stable at euro 20.5 million, with an operating result (EBE) of euro -2.8 million due to a complex major project. CEO Marcus Dranert's contract has been extended until March 2029, with an outlook for 2026, expecting balanced results and slightly lower revenues.
flatexDEGIRO adopts new capital allocation policy. Increase in annual dividend by a factor of 7 planned. 2025 guidance slightly exceeded. flatexDEGIRO SE announces a new capital allocation policy, planning to increase its annual dividend by a factor of 7. With revenues in FY 2025 exceeding expectations at around euro 560 million and net income rising to approximately euro 160 million, the company aims for further growth in 2026. The new policy includes a regular dividend distribution of 20% of net income, with a possible dividend of around euro 0.30 per share for 2025. Stonegate updates coverage on Incanex Healthcare Inc., NASDAQ GM IXHL 22020116. Stonegate Capital Partners updates their coverage on Incanex Healthcare Inc., NASDAQ GM IXHL, highlighting positive Phase 2 results for IHL-42X in obstructive sleep apnea. Both low and high-dose IHL-42X showed significant reductions in AHI versus placebo, with up to 83% reduction in the high-dose arm. Exit interviews revealed 57.6% of participants reported improvement in OCA, reinforcing the drug's potential for broad use.
Datavault AI DVLT raised preliminary FY 2025 revenue to $38.40 million, surpassing its prior projection by up to 33%. The company attributes this growth to customer tech licensing fees and services from its data science group. Datavault AI also reaffirmed its FY 2026 revenue target of $200 million, with expected year-over-year growth of 400% to 426%. The company plans to file its audited 2025 financial results with the SEC next month.
LixD Biotechnology. LixD appoints Sydney Braun as CEO of Leora Technologies Europe subsidiary. LixD Biotechnology appoints Sydney Braun as CEO of Leora Technologies Europe, a move to advance the Lee Heights system for tumor treatments. Braun's 20 years of healthcare experience aligns with LixD's strategy to scale technology and drive recurring revenue in cancer care. The LICT system is an electronically controlled proton therapy platform aimed at enhancing tumor treatment within the radiotherapy segment of cancer care.
Sportradar completes IMG Arena integration, focuses on growth and innovation. Sportradar AG has completed the integration of rights acquired from IMG Arena, expanding its official coverage to include prestigious events like Roland Garros, Wimbledon, and the US Open. With a focus on growth and innovation, The Switzerland-based company aims to generate revenue by leveraging the new content across its distribution network. Sportradar's chief commercial officer, Ed Blanc, expressed excitement about the potential for continued innovation in the sports technology space.
Med Holdings Group Inc. announces strategic negotiations with leading urology authority, Dr. Harvey Samowitz, as company accelerates expansion, digital scale, and corporate milestones. Med Holdings Group Inc. announces strategic negotiations with leading urology authority, Dr. Harvey Samowitz, aiming to enhance clinical leadership as the company expands nationally. Dr. Samowitz brings over 30 years of expertise in urology and pelvic health. The company is also in talks for new locations in Jupiter and Doral, Florida, accelerating compliance milestones, and launching TotalBody.com for digital expansion.
Aris Strategic Mining commences mining operations. Aris Strategic Mining Inc. has officially started mining operations at its Lost Sheep fluorspar mine in Utah, with thousands of tons of fluorspar ore now stockpiled for processing. Underground operations are progressing smoothly, with ore extraction and stockpiling in full swing. This milestone signifies a shift towards production buildup, showcasing tangible progress towards sustained asset-bar output.
And thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.